What's going on, legends? So we're rolling the guards on this VUSS today behind me. Obviously he's got the stock wheels on the back because it's the aftermarket wheels that he's got doesn't fit because he's had the car lowered. We're going to be rolling the guards. We've got the new wheels in the back of the Ute so that we can chuck them on after we've rolled the guards. This thing is super clean. It's so hard to find these Utes in this condition these days. Like even the tailgate. Look at that. You know, it's just like it'd be like 90, it's like 95 to 96% perfect. It's in such good condition, so well kept. Yeah, I reckon this would be an awesome car for Deacon to do a video on, to be honest. He would love it. Yeah, it's just in unreal condition, so I'm going to treat this car with the utmost respect, like I do with every other car. This owner come to me specifically because he knows that I'll take care of it and do a really good job. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I have just finished a full day on the tools in the construction business, and now I'm jumping into this business as I do. Generally, what night are we? Wednesday night? Generally Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday nights I just edit videos. Because I'm working on the tools all day, it doesn't make sense to jump on the tools at night. When duty calls, I'm there. So I'm always happy to work on people's cars no matter what the day is. It's just that I can only do it after hours on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But yeah, I've got a hectic weekend coming up this weekend. I've just been so busy lately with the mezzanine next door. Yeah, just life and things going on. But this weekend I'm going to try and take off from doing the mezz, let Corey do some stuff in there, because I have a friend that's just bought a business and they've got an open day, which is South Pacific Pools and Spas. I'm going there on Saturday to just support them and congratulate them on their opening of their business. And then after that, me, Jamie and a few of the boys are jumping out on the boat for the afternoon. So I'm really looking forward to that. Trying to do, I wouldn't say have a balanced life because I don't think that exists, but I am trying to do a little bit more things for myself these days than I used to do. So I still always work a lot, but some weeks I might work 80 hours a week and then some weeks I'll do my 100 hours. But this week's going to be an 80-hour week because, yeah, I've got better things to be doing. And the weather looks beautiful on Saturday, so yeah, going to make the most of it. Actually, you guys will be seeing this Saturday. So yeah, by the time you guys are seeing this, I'll hopefully have done my work for the morning and I'll be out enjoying myself. But anyway, let's get into it. Alright legends, another guard roll done. You know we got this. If you guys need things like this done to your car, whether you need suspension upgrades or wheel clearance solution, I got you. Alright, I'll see you on the next video.
We'll be right back.